it's not very friendly, and it's very hard to live with a Russian background now in all border countries. And Cyprus back then was already changing a lot of laws to be more, how you call it, attractive, attractive for the IT companies, like this, taxation, discounts for the income, and also the time that we spend to employ a developer in Cyprus. You can fully provide him all the documents in less than 3 weeks.
Would you say that Limassol is your final home?
We don't know what the life brings, but I really like it. I really like the life here, people here, and I want to settle here.